coming back to Mina on the 11th of Dhul Hijjah, which is the first day of the Ayyam of Tashreeq, okay, and their nights, the days and nights of those Ayyam al-Tashreeq, it is better to stay in Mina during these days than going to Makkah. Is this clear? It is better to stay in Mina. Some tour operators say go to Makkah, go and stay in a hotel. No, this is not the proper way of performing Hajj. The proper way is Sunnah is to stay in Mina. Most scholars consider staying in Mina as a wajib. Okay? You may go at night to make tawaf and return to Mina if you wish. It is reported that the Prophet ﷺ did. Okay, and that's what we will do inshallah. Stoning the 3 jamarat, each with 7 pebbles in each of those days after zawal, after when the sun moves from its zenith, the highest point. Okay, this is important with regards to the rami in the 3 days. Okay, after the first and second jamarat, move forward to the side and stand facing the qibla for a long time, making dua while raising your hands. Is that okay? And you'll have this in your books when you're in front of you, or if you have small things to remind you, and we'll be there inshaAllah ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَاذْكُرُوا اللَّهَ فِي أَيَّامٍ مَعْدُودَاتٍ. And remember Allah during specific number days. He's talking about those days. فَمَنْ تَعَجَّلَ فِي يَوْمَيْنِ فَلَا إِثْمَ عَلَيْهِ. And whoever hastens his departure in 2 days, meaning after the 11th and 12th, فَلَا إِثْمَ عَلَيْهِ. There is no sin upon him. وَمَنْ تَأَخَّرَ فَلَا إِثْمَ عَلَيْهِ. And whoever stays and delays and stays further for the 3rd day, there is no sin upon him. Okay? And whoever لِمَنِ اتَّقَى وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ. For him who fears Allah and fear Allah and know that unto him you will be gathered and returned. So it's an ayah from the Quran telling you that, look, don't make it a big issue. It's mustahab. If you stay for the final day, it's good, fine. But if you don't, the whole groups will leave, fine, on the 12th. Those of you who would like to stay, you let your tour operator know, and they will let the people in the staff within the camp know that, look, you're staying for a further night, and they will make arrangement to bring you back, and they will liaise with the tour operator. It's absolutely fine, but there will be a very small number, usually. Okay, and this is mainly those 3 days. And remember that you may leave Mina before sunset if you wish, after you perform the Rami on the 12th of Dhul Hijjah. Okay, before sunset. You leave on the 12th. However, if you stay to perform the Rami on the 13th, it is preferable. It's a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, as I said to you. Okay, remember, you don't perform the Rami or the pelting of the jamarat before zawal, midday. You can perform it after. All the 3 of the days, the Prophet ﷺ did it after zawal, after midday, okay? And it is permissible to delay until after Asr or even till the night if it's too crowded. But we'll try to keep the times as much as possible, inshaAllah ta'ala. And alhamdulillah, we had no issues, alhamdulillah. Remember not to throw all the pebbles at once. 7 of them, throw 7. Can I just run through it one more time? First day, 7 pebbles. Second day, how many? Small one, how many? 7. Middle one, 7. Third, large one, 7. How many total in the second day? 11. 21. 7, 7, 7, 21. Okay, maths. And 7 and 21 is 27. Okay, what about the following day? 7, again the small one, and then 7 the middle one, and 7 the big one. That's 21. So 21 and 21 makes 42. And 7 on the first day? 49. And if you do the 3rd final ayyam of Tashreeq, then what do? Another 21, so it becomes 72. I think 72 or 70? 70. Allahu alam. Yeah, 70. So therefore, around 70. So you need to carry the amount of number, or even if you haven't, you can always collect from other places. No problem, inshallah.